My name is Ignacio Nacho Jimenez and we're at Superbueno. We're gonna make you the green mango martini, inspired by the green mango stands on the subway platforms of New York. We start with an infusion of Patron Blanco tequila, infused with green mangoes for 48 hours. 2.5 ounces. We're gonna follow it up with a little bit of Sauterne, which is a French dessert wine. Typically the notes are mango, so we felt that it was the perfect companion to your martini. A little bit of mango distillate from Mexico. We're happy to report we're the only bar that has this product. And then we're gonna follow that up with a little bit of honey, a little bit of saline, ice it up. And strain. We're just gonna finish that with a little bit of chili oil for a little bit of spiciness, and also we add a little bit of citric acid, kind of mimicking of what tajin will do on a green mango on those stands. People tend to see peppers as just a spice level, but we here at Superbueno, we use it to bring different flavor profiles into the cocktails. And there you have it. This is the green mango martini. Most of our cocktail menu is inspired by iconic dishes of Mexican cuisine or iconic ingredients. The atmosphere is always lively, friendly, and the cocktails are supposed to reflect that same lively, buzzing energy from the streets of New York.